Hey guys, it's Hither Mann here. I want to tell you, why do I be so strict? Why am I so strict with the rules of people coming into Fortune Academy? What do I look for, and why is it so difficult to get in as a Fortune Academy lifetime forex student? So here's the reasons coming up. Take some notes, because it could be you coming into my workshop next, or you could be asking me to take you on as a student, and I want you to be able to get in as long as you fulfill the following criteria. Okay, so what I look for, by the way, welcome to my office. I am at home, I am working, I am in my favorite place, massive window just behind this camera, and that is why I might be a bit squinty at the minute, but this is me just chilled out in gym gear, etc. And I always like to think in my office about the stuff that matters. I have all the conference calls with my team here, I meet them of course, and then I do a lot of the thinking about the selection process, and I make the final decision on every single student that comes into Fortune Academy. What I look for is the following. Number one, you have to be someone that I feel has got the potential to go far, i.e. you're thinking in the right way, you've got a healthy relationship with yourself, or at least we're gonna get you there. Even if you haven't got a super healthy relationship, you're a leader of some sort, you know, already. Whether you're a great parent, that's a leader. Whether you're a great business owner, fantastic leader, or just a key prominent figure in your workplace, you know, just like a, you don't have to be introverted or extroverted. I mean, that bit doesn't matter to me. You could be either one, but everyone thinks I have a bias to extroverted people, but no, I've had incredible results with people who are introverted, but they've just got a very strong resolve, i.e. they are just so solid, you cannot be broken. So I'm looking for someone who's solid and tough and mentally strong, a leader in their rights, very clear of where they're going. Number two, I'm looking for people who can take rejection. If you've had rejection in your life, which, let's say, that could come from various things, whether you've applied for jobs in the past and you've got a no, whether if you're in sales, you're very good because you get no's more often. I mean, let's say if you're canvassing, I used to have sales jobs when I was younger, and I used to get a no. I've even done the stuff that you do on, you know, flyers on the street type thing, and that is so powerful that people are like, no, don't want to speak to you, don't want to, you know, and they get annoyed with you just because of what you're doing. But then a few people will get you that deal or the sale that you're looking for. And if you're a salesperson, my point is you can deal with rejection. So I really like that, because that means you're tough, that your self-image is strong. For you to deal with rejection and keep going forward, you are a very strong self-image person and you have a strong self-esteem. That's very important. Financial trading is going to be, you're losing more often than not, but the wins you have, you end up being more profitable overall. So this is why the two characteristics, well, that characteristics in the two industries follow through. So good at sales means you'll be good at trading. If you're good at business, you'll also be very good at trading. If you're a good parent, you'll probably be very good at trading. If you're just a leader, you'll probably be very good at trading. So number one is you're a leader, let's say. That's the easiest way to explain what number one was. Number two is you can deal with rejection very well, and you have had it already in your life in some form. Number three, taking it one step further, is if you've kind of failed in life somewhere, you've lost money, or you've gone through some sort of hardship, but then you've come back as a king or queen. That's really important to me. I don't like people who are saying, oh yeah, I was screwed over by a business partner like 5 years ago and I'm still recovering. You know, like, that's too long for me. I don't like the long, you haven't got over it, or you're still crying over something that happened years ago in your past. You cannot be a victim. You've got to be that fighter. But I ideally prefer people who come back from something tough. Now, whether that's just been a massive breakup and you were like suicidal or something intense, I've had that, you know, some people have said that, but they really pick themselves up and they're like go-getters now, you know, and I like that. Anything in your life that you feel like you've really been at a breaking point, meltdown, and then you've come back, but I have to see that you've come back and you are a bit of a fighter and you can heal yourself. So those three things are my main thing. The fourth thing, which is kind of easy to do once you've fulfilled all those top three, is being coachable. Coachable means that let me mentor you and let me really guide you, because I'm going to make sure that we tweak certain areas in your life, whether it's in your personal life, your relationship with money, your relationship with yourself, will improve that. And more than anything is getting your horizons wider. Most people don't see money the way I want them to see money. They don't really diversify enough. They haven't even got properties, or if they have properties, they've only got 2 or 3 max. I want you to have a portfolio of them. And if you're open to being wealthy, and I mean super wealthy, then let me help you get there, because that's what I want to do. But that's just being number 4. That's just being coachable. That's it. So I'm not asking for much. I think it's pretty fun. I think the top 3 things are hard to get. Now, what happens if you're not one of those, if you can't tick off number 1, 2, 3, what happens then? Well, good news, it's not all over. I will then put you onto my Millionaire Mindset coaching program, which is somewhere where I can help you become a leader. I can help you get past everything. So the Millionaire Mindset program is more of a business coaching and a personal coaching program. Very solid. It will go through everything from your self-image, your relationship with money, your toxic relationships, your subconscious mind programming. We get peak performance routines, how you eat, how you drink, how you look, how you wake up in the morning, your routine in the morning, your night routine, everything in between matters. And that's what I would put you through first. So if you think, oh my gosh, she's not going to accept me on the Fortune Academy trading programs, then I would put you onto the Millionaire Mindset first, go through that, and then we'll get you onto the forex programs. I'll be very honest with you, my best traders are the ones who've done the Millionaire Mindset and the financial trading programs together. My best, I'll give you an example, Stephen Collins. He is a millionaire business owner. He'd also gone bankrupt before he came to me. He's someone who was a go-getter, like a leader. He signed up himself and his son, great parents, because he realized that he wanted his son to be like a go-getter and making lots of money. Stephen's already successful, but he had gone through some hardships, he had become bankrupt, and he came back. So that was another reason I thought, fantastic guy, great parent, and he's a comeback king. Number 3, very coachable, and he was open to having the Millionaire Mindset program. He thought that would really help him fine-tune the profits. And lo and behold, after 5 months of trading his own cash, when he's learning the strategies, he was going from intermediate to advanced, he learned the intermediate, smashed the targets with the intermediate. He already made 33% in 5 months. He's now on the advanced strategies, but even before he's fully mastered the advanced, he's using the intermediate strategies, the long-term and the medium-term trading, and he's putting in £2 million of his own money, because he said, if I can do 30% on a £2 million account, I mean, who wouldn't do that? You know, if you can do that annual return every year of just 30%, I want my student, even though he made that in 5 months, I'm saying to him, look, if you could do that in 1 year, that's incredible, because look at your £2 million cash, it would grow exponentially like over the years, and you will be better off than any investment, any bank. And it's a second income to the business, you know, so we're diversifying him. He's already got properties, but I want to diversify him into different assets, and I help him in so many things, and that's because he's in the Millionaire Mindset program. So watch out for Stephen Collins, and you're going to see a lot more about him in other publications that I do, but he's great. And that's why the Millionaire Mindset program, together with the financial trading, is so, so powerful. So do not underestimate the power of the 2 programs when we put them together. In fact, if it was up to me, I would make everybody do the Millionaire Mindset program first, and then the forex program. So there you go, guys. So if you come to a workshop in the future and you know now what I'm looking for, because if you just watched this video, I think I'm going to make everybody watch this anyway, because I think it's very important that you see this. I will be watching you all throughout the workshop. I will be interacting with you. I'm very intuitive, and that's what makes me a very good mentor. I can read people better than you realize. So I want to see you, I want to meet you, and I will learn so much about you. I love hearing about your stories, why you want to be successful. So do not forget, Fortune Academy is giving you money to trade with, because to make it big in financial trading, you need to be trading big money. If you've got it yourself, trade it yourself. If you haven't, let me give you 25k or up to 200k in your first year. After that, the sky's the limit, depending on your performance. We're happy to allocate up to 2 million a student, you know, depending on your performance. So it's very exciting. You would get the profits and we would split them, etc. So that's what's in it for us. We win together, and that's why I love the workshops we do. So I hope that helped. I hope that kind of made things clear for you as to what I look for. And any questions, just jump below, comment, and I'm happy to answer them. Also, follow me on social media, the links are below. Subscribe to this channel, because you will get notifications from every new video I put up, so you don't want to miss the content coming out, trust me. See you in the next video. Bye.